What's going on, Spooling Up Performance fam? We're back with another episode. If you are a first-time viewer, I want to say thank you for stopping in. Definitely consider subscribing. We got a awesome build going on, fully garage built. It's pretty awesome. You can refer to the other videos on the channel to see what we're up to, but today is very special, and you guys probably already know if you've been watching, the new built short block from Speed Performance up in New Jersey is finally here. It has arrived, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of our built short block. Definitely stay tuned. You don't want to miss any of this video as we dig into the box and see what we got, so stay tuned. Guy just left. It is a miserable day here in Tennessee, just very rainy and wet. But we can brighten up our day because our built short block from Speed Performance is here and ready to party. And I'm super excited, guys. I can't even explain to you how amazing this is. It still doesn't even feel real that Speed Performance jumped on board and we're like, hey man, this car is gonna be one of a kind. It's gonna definitely break some records. And they jumped on board and supplied us with a fully built short block for an amazing deal. I really appreciate you guys. All their stuff is linked down below. You can check them out right here on Instagram, also right here on Facebook. Go check them out for all your engine building needs. They also do injector cleaning, a bunch of other stuff. Just hit them up, go check them out. If you're a first-time viewer, this is a 2004 Mazda RX-8 that is completely gutted down to the bare shell and basically has everything pulled out of it, wiring, everything that a stock RX-8 has is gone, minus the suspension and the rear end as of right now. We had some work done. We had some front end work done, tubed out, new V8 Roadsters, custom tubular subframe to help us drop in the new engine. This is not going to be a rotary car, but it will be and have the heart of a Mazdaspeed 3 engine going in it. This short block is on one of their shop cars. They made 1,000 horsepower off this same setup. We are going to be shooting for about 700 to 800 horsepower, so it definitely has some room to grow. But this will be the new heart of the car, and this is a major piece that we needed, guys. And I am super excited. Man, it doesn't even feel real. And, you know, I have cracked it open just to make sure that there was no damage on shipping, which everything checked out just fine. Let me tell you, oh my Lord, this thing is beautiful. And we're gonna dig right into it here and get to unboxing the new short block from Speed Performance. So let's get to it. Look what we got here.
Oh, he shaves the beard.
Little Xander 13. Yeah, but check out this stash.
Yes.
You know, gotta do it. You know, Army life is coming to an end, so you know I gotta.
You can go back after that.
Yeah, I gotta do what I gotta do. But for now, we're leaving the stash, and they can suck it. So we have Alex stopping over here. You know, he found out the news of what we got here, and
something is in this box.
We're gonna unbox it, and I'm glad you're here for it because it's pretty sweet.
Yeah,
it's pretty legit.
There's some.
All right, so like I said, I've already cracked this open because I wanted to make sure everything was good with shipping and that there was no issues. This is like insane to me. For those of you guys that have been watching for a while, I've been really like working really hard on the channel and trying to, you know, post as much content as I can and make some really good videos for you guys. There's been a huge learning curve as far as making it work. We wouldn't even be close to where we are progress-wise if it wasn't for Speed Performance up in New Jersey. This almost doesn't even feel real to me. It's absolutely nuts, man. Like, for a company to just blindly jump on board when we just had a car with a bare shell is absolutely insane. But huge shout out to them. Pablo, appreciate you, man. You and the whole team over there. But without further ado, let's open this up and show you guys what we got here. So what we have here is a fully built, one of their top of the top builds, and it's pretty crazy. Have a fully built short block, and it is absolutely beautiful. I mean, they have everything in this thing. It is a block that was honed to 88 millimeter. It's got Mahl 2618 Pro Series pistons, 88 millimeter. We got those attached to Manley I-beam Turbo Tough rods. Comes complete with King main and rod bearings. The crankshaft is keyed along with the timing gears and the crank pulley. Block was obviously cleaned, hot tanked, and all that stuff before assembly. The deck of the block was milled so that the surface was completely flat and ready for assembly once we get the head back. One thing they did too is they applied quick seal dry assembly line film powder to the cylinder walls. Basically helps with the initial break-in for the rings, so that's a little extra thing they did on here. We also have the custom age 625 plus head studs. They are not in the box, but they are coming. They were waiting to get more in stock, and they're going to send them back along with the injectors that I sent out to them to get cleaned and flow tested. So those will come back as well. But man, like, I don't know if you can tell by my voice, I'm like shaking because it's unreal to me that this is like sitting in front of me right now. It's absolutely nuts. And I'm going to pull it out here and kind of get you a more in-depth look of what we got. But I mean, it's crazy. And this thing is beautiful. I mean, if you look in the light, I don't know if it'll catch it, but the deck surface has like a rainbow colored effect right there. You can see it. I've never seen that. And it's pretty badass. But man, am I excited. I know you guys have been waiting for this for a long time, so let's get this out of the box, and I'm gonna put it on this table I have set up over there. Hopefully it holds. But yeah, let's get this thing out. God, I'm excited. If you could just hold the fucking goddamn. All right, so here it is, guys. Man, oh man. Dang, dude. Got all the keyed crank with the timing gears and all that stuff. Holy smokes, dude. Really went like above and beyond on this, like way more than I expected to have them build, and I'm stoked. Like, this is crazy. Those pistons are sick. It's the Pro Series. Those are badass. Man. Boost. Boost. I think that's how it works. So, guys, the wait is over. It is here. And basically how I have it right now is set up how I want it, how it will be facing in the car. You know, I have researched some stuff on the EcoBoost Mustangs and how they use engine mounting on the side of the block. We do have parts on the way, and some steel and chromoly on the way to fabricate our motor mounts. We're getting very close to dropping this thing in, guys, and I'm like super pumped. Let me know what you guys think about all this down in the comments for sure, and definitely give the video a big thumbs up because we are just getting started and there's a lot more to come. We are going to break a lot of records this year, not only for hopefully the MZR platform, but for the RX-8s as well. I plan on having the fastest RX-8 in the world, minus like some funny car like Pro Mod. But yeah, we are going to fully send it. And like when they started building this, they were kind of leaving me in the dark on like what parts they were putting in and like what exactly I was getting. And all he said to me was, just to make sure you send it. And I said,
we'll just send a shit out of it.
well, yeah, we're gonna let it rip. So, and I'm gonna have this mustache along for the ride. So it's gonna be a good time. But no, let me see if I can get the reflection here for you guys again. I mean, it's sick. The rainbow effect. I want to see if I can capture it. Oh, there it is. Oh, dude, that's sick. Yes. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Yeah, there's always a pot of gold at the end of the rainbow.
There is a pot of gold.
Hopefully there is an 8-second pass at the end of the drag strip.
Yes,
so
absolutely.
that'll be pretty much like a pot of gold. So very, very excited, guys. Super pumped to have you guys along for the ride. Definitely give the video a thumbs up and comment. That definitely helps the videos out for sure. If you got anybody that's, you know, gearhead or anything like that, make sure you share the videos. It definitely helps them spread, and in turn gives us more views and stuff like that. And like I said, if you're a new subscriber, definitely consider subscribing, because like I said, this is just the beginning and we have a lot of work to do, and a lot of parts still have to come and get put in and fabricated to make this work. But we are on a warpath, and my buddy Alex over here, Xander13, definitely check his channel out. He is probably the fastest growing Mustang YouTuber right now, probably.
Yeah, there's only like a handful of Mustang channels that you should really, or it's a Mustang channel, but cars in general, because they do everything.
Yeah.
But
I watched this man's channel grow like 1,000 subscribers a day. Like, it was crazy. There was like a week span where he jumped. But definitely check him out. He's got a lot of content on that monster out there. It's 2019 Mustang GT, fully loaded, 10-speed auto.
It's full bolt-on right now.
Full bolt-on, and just added the secret sauce.
Yeah, we're an E85, and we're troubleshooting some things. So we're gonna make some power, and then we're gonna go boost.
Yeah,
we're gonna chase 10s,
ooh.
10s and a quarter
The
in
boost.
at first. But yes, boost is coming. Boost is coming.
Yeah, and not many people on YouTube right now doing crazy stuff with a 19 GT. I mean, that thing's definitely going to be fast.
Yeah.
Especially when the boost arrives. But hopefully, once I move back up north and finish this thing, I can come back down for a streetcar takeover. And
everybody's going up north. I need to go up north too. That's where all the stuff is.
That's where all the cool guys are going.
Cool
so maybe you need to come up there. You can visit. You always have a room.
Yeah, yeah.
So we can hit up some events up there.
I need to just like pay you rent every month, and I'll just go up there for a week.
Yeah. Like, hey, I'm coming in to film. Okay, sweet.
Yep.
It'll be good to go. But yeah, dude, look at that. That's sick. You can see that like rainbow effect on the deck. That's so badass. The cylinder heads should be done next week. I'm still waiting on the head studs for the motor, and once those come in and then the head gets finished, we'll be able to properly put the head onto the short block and actually torque them down and get everything good to go and start completing the rest of the engine with the timing and all that stuff. I got a Gen 2 valve cover coming from New York. Dom, the other guy on the channel with the Speed 3, he's got an extra one. He's gonna be sending that down here, and we're gonna get some stuff ready for powder coat and get that stuff done. But we are definitely on the up and up, and I'm very excited, and I want to thank all of you guys for sticking around and continuing to support the channel. A lot more to come. We're out here, and we're getting it. You guys will be on the journey of a record-breaking car. Something else that I just kind of hem and hawed about was after messing with the doors last episode, I was looking up Sebin Carbon company, and they have carbon fiber, literally everything for this car, fenders, doors, the whole nine. And if anybody follows me on Instagram plug right here, you will see that in my story a couple days ago, I posted the picture of the doors and everything, and I said, wouldn't that be crazy if Sebin Carbon like jumped on board the build or whatever? Well, they actually like put a heart in my DM, and I was like, yeah, that'd be really sweet if you guys jump on board like a record-setting car that we're building. And they synced it, and then I sent them my email, and they synced it. So maybe that'd be pretty sick. Have carbon doors on it. They also make fenders too, which would be pretty sick. What we're gonna do is put this back in the bag and keep it safe, and I'm gonna bring it inside and store it in, you know, interior temperature. I don't want anything happening to it, right. So store it away from where, you know, parts and stuff can get kicked at it and whatever, but we're gonna put it in there. That's where we're gonna end this one off, guys. I'm beyond excited, and I cannot thank Speed Performance I could just thank them all day long. It's just amazing what they've done for me and the channel, and you know, this is going to help us move forward even further. If you are in need of a built motor or anything regarding your engine or fuel injectors or whatever, definitely hit them up. Their stuff's always linked below in the description, so definitely go check them out. Thanks again, Pablo. Crazy. Freaking crazy. But that's going to do it. We will see you later. Have a good night.